Hello guys who support my channel ESP Education. Today I have new topic about how to use QuickBooks Enterprise Solution with the new topic and with the new knowledge. And first I suggest you please subscribe bell on my channel ESP Education. The button right on the below this video. Don't forget subscribe bell on channel ESP Education. Okay, let's move to our topic. Today I have new topic about how to create or control about fixed asset in the program QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. Okay, the first you turn on your computer and your program QuickBooks Enterprise Solution as my platform, and then you move your mouse to the header here, right? And then you find the folder list. Okay, you see here LISTS, right? The green here, LISTS, this option, and then you click on the list and and click on the option list and find the option phrase fixed asset item. Okay, first list and then fixed asset item, and click on it, and you see this platform, and now you create the QuickBooks item. Many fixed asset in your company. Some you sell and some you use. Okay, the first I explain you how to control the fixed asset which you use. Okay, you find the button item here, you see on the below the platform item, and then you click on arrow and find option or vocabulary new. Okay, and then you see the new platform about how how you complete the information about fixed asset. Okay, for example, you buy the machine. Okay, or you create the asset name and number. First, for example, your company default ID FA004. Okay, and then you choose the fixed asset chart account. The first you must create chart of account of asset that you want to sell. For example, I create equipment, machine, furniture, and vehicle building for the fixed asset in the chart account first, and then I can select easily. Okay, for example, I buy the machine. I choose the option machine here, but the machine chart of account of machine, there are two kinds. The first is the total cost of machine, and the second is accumulated depreciation of machine. And the first in the asset account here, you must choose the cost of machine. Okay, and then you complete the purchase description. But purchase description here you must choose the item, mean that talk about the machine that you sell is the new or the second hand. For example, is new, you can click new, and or if it is the second use, you can click use and complete then. Okay, for example, machine is the second use, I choose use, and then I describe it is machine. Machine, and then is the date. That here is the date of purchase, so I choose October 2nd 2019 today. Okay, and the price is 3,000, for example, and vendor machine export invoice Co Ltd, for example. And then you can set description or not, and serial number is the PO number, is the purchase order number, and you just complete the serial number of the machine. For example, the machine have the serial number on it, for example 539 and 012 is the serial number on the machine. Okay, or ID of the machine, and you complete here to identify which machine, if you have many machine the same. Okay, and you can separate or separate them or differentiate by the serial number. And warranty expire is the date of expire warranty for this machine. For example, Machinery Investco Ltd give you warranty expire for a month, so you can choose option today and change the year to 2020. Okay, and then you click option OK. So you see the fixed asset machine have the ID product FA004, and the cost of the machine is 3,000, right? And the chart account is cost of machine, right? Cost of machine means that purchase cost is 3,000, right? And then, for example, you want to create a fixed asset for your company sale, or fixed asset that you want to sell in your company. For example, you are the furniture company, so you sell all the furniture, so you can sell, for example, I just for example, the same thing like machine. For example, I buy machine and then I sell this machine to the customer. So the first you must choose the option the same list and fixed asset item list, so you can see the platform the same, and then you find the button item and click on the arrow and find the word new, and you complete the asset number. For example, FA003 account number, asset account, you choose machine, call machine or machine, and then you click here purchase describe, for example, new, and you write the machine and click here today, and the cost because of it new, so it so expensive, 5,000, and machinery co Ltd. Okay, and you want to sell, so you click on item is sold, mean that you buy the machine and then you sell to sell, so you are the intermediary about selling this machine. Okay, the date of sale, for example, tomorrow. Okay, and sell is 7,000, and sell expense mean that the other or extra expense. If no, okay, you complete 0, but if you have yes, okay, you give, for example, $50, and then you complete the serial number of this machine, for example, 16812001203, right? Warranty, for example, 2 years. Okay, you find this today, but you must change to 2021. Okay, and then you click button OK, right? Okay, you see the machine 50,000 and the default number FA03. For example, you want to edit the information of the asset here, you can select on the, for example, machine here, you can click on it and you right click and you choose the option edit item, and then you see here, for example, you choose the option wrong, you can click on the option new. For example, you buy this machine as the new or first use, not second use. Okay, you can change, and the price is not 3,000, is $6,000. Okay, and serial number is wrong one. Okay, for example, you can click on the button OK. Okay, so the machine is change price to cost of the machine is $6,000. Okay, if you want to delete the account here, you must select on it. For example, you want to select FA03 because you sell, or you can complete wrong, you can select on it and edit. For example, I create new item for you to delete. For example, you click on the new item and create the asset FA005. For example, machine, and you okay, machine, okay, today 500, do okay, and so, and you mean that you complete wrong, so you confuse the machine. You can select on FA05 and right click on it and select the word delete, the option delete, sorry. Okay, select on the fixed asset that you want to delete and right click and choose the option delete item, and you click button OK and right. So all the information of FA05 is delete all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get the information, new knowledge about my video, and please subscribe my channel ESP Education, and see you next time, and thanks for watching today. Goodbye, good luck. Don't forget subscribe bell on ESP Education. Bye bye.